Don't you think this is starting to wear me? You've been raining down like hell. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the...
G'day everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anna and this is You Got Me in Stitches. I have scissors and Happy Mail which has not been opened, and yeah, I received this on Wednesday, which is September 7th. Now I'm guessing this is not going to work now I'm on camera, is it? Oh, it did. Okay, awesome. Let us see what is in this month. This month's box of Happy. This must be a little bit of a bumper box because yeah, it definitely feels like it is bursting out of its box seams. Wow, it's kind of chaos at the moment with the birds in the garden. One has just literally flown into the hedge in a bit of a panic. I think they've been chased. Right, so I always met with the sunshine yellow tissue paper, and this tissue paper is actually ever so slightly different. I do not know if anybody else has noted this, but yeah, it's just ever so slightly darker. I'll start off with showing you the book, and it's called Honey Honey this month. And it is 46. It's amazing how time goes. I would just insert a few stills instead of actually flipping through the book. A lot of the other ladies who get the subscription box do that, so I'm sure you guys have already checked their wonderful videos out. For those of you that are a little bit unfamiliar with the SewHayleyJane box, there is the mini box, the classic, which is what I am subscribed to, and the luxury. Always very tempting, however I've always set on my hands not got to that one, but you never know, one day I might. Right, going to start off with the 4 fat quarters, all 100% cotton, and really like that one, definitely like honeycomb. And then we have the little beehives there with the floral print and the black, yes, black colourway for the background. Then the actual bees themselves. This is absolutely beautiful fabric, and get it quick way around, so is the other one. They would make some wonderful projects. Look how beautiful they all work together. And apart from a couple of cushions that I've made previously, I've kind of been saving up a lot of my fat quarters from SewHayleyJane because I have kind of a larger project that I have in mind. However, I'm hoping that day will actually come, but not as yet, because yeah, I was thinking of kind of like a huge something for the bed, kind of a patchwork or bubble quilt, something like that, and yeah, kind of combine a lot of the fat quarters. So yeah, that's my ideas. However, these are very tempting, and I may actually make some cushions out of these specific ones. Next up we have some black elastic, and at a guess that is about a 1/2 inch width. Always great to have in the elastic collection. I am all of a buzz for these 4 buttons by Liz Harry Design. Look at those, they are so pretty, and look at the beehive, it's kind of a little face going on there. So you could use these individually and maybe have a little button on the top or on a cuff, or kind of use all three at once. And speaking of a buzz, oh my goodness, did you see an actual bumblebee? Oh my goodness, he's still looking around for some food. He must have known that I've been talking all things buzzy. Okay, so we always get thread. So we have a Gutterman thread here, and yeah, 100% polyester. So a little bit of a hint as to the main fabric. So let us see what it is. Okay, it is a cotton jersey, and it's described to have a waffle or honeycomb texture to it, and you can feel the texture. And yeah, flip it around and then you guys can see that there. And yeah, it is actually really soft, and there is a two-way stretch, one more so than the other, and yeah, the recovery not too bad. And yeah, it's definitely a mid-weight. The fabric colourway, so the main is a mid-green, and if you look closely, the leaves on the flowers are light green, then the petals are red, and we have delicate little white petals running through it. Yeah, so I really like that, and it is very unusual fabric, and perhaps maybe a jacket or something like that, or maybe something to create for even the bed. You could maybe quilt this, or a blankie for the chair, the couch, or maybe for a gift for somebody. Yeah, so a few ideas there. Really happy and excited to get going and sew up things, especially the fat quaders, because they're smaller projects. As I have not watched any of these SewHayleyJane unboxings, I have no idea if there is any different colourways with the main fabric, but now I have opened my box, I can get to watch some of the other unboxings, which is always exciting because it's great to hear different people's perspective and ideas and what they have for the fabrics. Let me know if you subscribe to the SewHayleyJane box and which tier do you get, and yeah, what ideas do you have for your fabrics this month? Okay guys, so if you enjoyed my video, please remember the thumbs up because it helps enormously, and also saying g'day in the comments, and yeah, let me know what you are up to over, well, not much left of the weekend now. And have a good weekend, what's left of it, and a wonderful week. Thank you. G'day everybody, welcome to my channel. Why do I bother? Oh, God, a noise. And a wonderful week. Smaller projects. Know if anybody else. There are three tiers. There is the classic, and the luxury, and the mini. No, I said that the wrong way around.